Hi kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Mr. Lagman here. Today we're going to make a color chart. We're going to use the three primary colors, the red, blue, and yellow. Okay, so these are the materials we're going to use to create this illustration. We need a watercolor paper, and I have a brush, and of course we need watercolor, and also a Sharpie pen, and we have a jar of water and a plate where we can put our color. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, to make this almost perfect circle shape, I used a cup to trace the circle. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to put the cup on the paper, and then I'm going to trace it over. Like that. Okay, so I have my first circle, and then next you're going to overlap the first circle that you created. So you're gonna put your cup like that, and then trace over. There you go. So that is your second circle. Next you're going to make another circle. So make sure you're going to overlap to the previous circle that you did. Okay. Alright. I'm going to trace over again. Like that. Alright, and then my fourth circle, which is the head, I'm going to put it a little up right here. Okay. I'm doing this very carefully. Like that. Okay, so next we're going to add the eyes, because this is the head, so we're going to put the eyes here. So I'm just going to draw a small oval like this, and then another oval like that. I'm putting an eyeball inside, smaller oval, and go ahead, you can fill in the eyeball like that. And then let's add a smile like that. And you can also make an antenna, just a line like this, one line, and then another line on the other side, a small circle, and then another small circle like that. Next, let's do the legs. So this is just, it's like a rectangle, skinny rectangle. There. Okay, so I'm going to make this caterpillar walking on a leaf. Okay, so I'm going to draw a leaf. There. Okay, so next we're gonna start putting the primary colors. Okay, so here's my watercolor set. I'm going to use the three primary colors. So what are the primary colors? We have, let me show you. We have red, yellow, and blue. So those three are the primary colors. Okay, I'm going to use yellow first. I'm gonna wet my brush, and then I'll get some yellow. Just to make sure that I have some water in my brush, and then I'm gonna paint this circle yellow. Okay, so there's my yellow. Next, I'm going to paint the head yellow. Okay, so let's paint this yellow. Adding more water. Alright, so we finished painting both ends yellow. Next, we're going to use the other primary colors, which is blue. Okay, so I'm going to use blue, and then I'm going to put blue in the middle circle. There. Okay, so let's clean our brush again. So the third primary color we're gonna get is what? Exactly, red. I'm gonna get some red, and I'm putting that red in this circle here. Yeah, you can take your time, you know, coloring the circles, and it's okay if you make mistake. Now, if it's hard for you to paint the edge of the circle, you can always move your paper like this. You can always move your paper like this and paint like this, like that. Okay, you see how easy that is? Just by turning the paper. Alright. Okay, so I'm turning this paper back again like that. Alright. So we have our three primary colors: the yellow, the blue and the red. Now we're gonna start mixing colors. Okay, so which one should we do first? Okay, I'm thinking of mixing yellow. Okay, I'm mixing yellow. And red. Okay, I'm mixing these two colors. Okay, these two colors, yellow and red, and see what will happen. So we get orange. Okay, so we're going to put orange in this spot in between yellow and red. Okay. Okay, there. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, next we're going to mix red and blue. And I'm pretty sure you guys know the secondary color if you mix red and blue. Okay, I'm taking red paint and blue. That's red and blue. Okay. Let me see what's the new color would be. All right. So what do you see? Purple, right? It's purple. If you mix red and blue, it will make purple. There you go. All right, so let's move on to the next color. We're going to mix this time blue and yellow. Okay, go back to my palette. Let's get some yellow. Put it in my palette here. And then blue. Okay, a little bit of blue. So what's the secondary color? It's green. All right, you're right. It's green. Yes. So we're going to paint this part of the circle. There. So in the camera, it looks more yellowish. Yeah, but in reality, it's green. Maybe because we have some spotlights in the studio. Okay, there. Okay, now for the legs, I am just going to put black. Just black. Like that. You can do whatever you want. You can put red, green, it's up to you. Okay? Right. And don't forget to clean your brush. Alright, next let's put color green for the leaves. I'm going to mix again yellow and blue to make green. So kids, we're just using 3 colors here: red, blue, and yellow. Okay, so I have a good green here, and I'm gonna paint the leaf. I added some more blue to my palette to make it more greener. There you go. Now let's add red on the antenna. That. And then blue, a wash of blue in the background.